girl, come here. Come here. So yes. Nin hesrenu? What's your name? What's your name? Very low voice. Whatsoever it may be. So give her a huge round of applause because she was entertaining. She was the center of attraction for all of us. So yes, give her a huge round of applause. Thank you so much, cutie. Say thank you.
Thank you.
So super cute. Thank you so much. Thank you. So hi, hello, ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಮೈಸೂರು. ಇದು ಮೈಸೂರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಮೈಸೂರು. Yes, that's the spirit. So yes, I am Nagadurga. Today I'll be hosting the Loser celebrations at Nexus Center City, Mysuru. ಹೌದು, ನಾನು ಆಂಕರ್ ನಾಗದುರ್ಗ. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ನಿರೂಪಕಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದು ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಟಿಬೆಟಿಯನ್ ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಲೋಸರ್ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಇಯರ್ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಷನ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸಹ ಆತ್ಮೀಯವಾದಂತಹ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಯು ಈಚ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. So yes, as we all know, some of you here Tibetans may be knowing what is Loser. But Loser is a New Year celebration for them where they'll be starting their new journey, new memories and joy for their life. So I would like to request Mysore Tibetan Community Center Director Mr. Sonam sir to please come and brief us about the Loser. Give him a huge round of applause. Let's welcome Sonam sir.
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ? Okay. We are organizing this fifth time and it is happy to organize at Nexus City Mall. So the Losa means just a million. And then million is not changing. We have to change our mind. We have to change our mind, ready to challenge the face and prepare for the best. That is the Losa. So this is the 2021-53 according to our calendar. So it is a very old tradition to us, and also we are very connected with the Indians through historically, spiritually, and also culturally. Mysore, we have 5 big settlements here. That is why we organize here to this program to awareness about the local peoples, how Tibetan culture is going on. That's all. Thank you so much.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋನಮ್ ಸರ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಸೊ ಹಾಗೆ ಸೋನಮ್ ಸರ್ ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ಲೋಸರ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಟಿಬೆಟಿಯನ್ಸ್ನ ಒಂದು ನ್ಯೂ ಇಯರ್ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು, ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಇವೆಂಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಕಲ್ಚರಲ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಹಾಗೆ ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರೆಡಿಷನಲ್ ರಿಚುವಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಹಾಗೆ ನೀವು ಅವ್ರ ಫುಡ್ನ ಕೂಡ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೋರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ಕಲರ್ಫುಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಯೂಮ್ಸ್ನ ಕೂಡ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು, ಟಿಬೆಟಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ತಾಶಿ ದಿಲೇಕ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್, ಐ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು. ತಾಶಿ ದಿಲೇಕ್. Yeah, super. So yes, His Highness Dalai Lama beautifully says that love, passion are necessities, not the luxuries. Without them, human cannot survive. So Loser remains exactly same for all of us. So firstly, wishing all the Tibetans happy Loser. So yes, today we'll be continuing with the performances. So firstly, we have Tala Shipa. Tala Shipa is a classical Tibetan Nagma dance. It is elegant and emotional. Nagma music comes from the 16th century Lhasa Court tradition. So yes, I would like to welcome the artist to perform Tala Shilpa on the stage. applause to all the instrument players, please. Thank you so much for the wonderful music. Tala Shilpa will be offered at the gatherings. This music includes instruments such as lute, fiddle, duclimer and flute. Tala Shilpa has a calm and melodic style. Its poetic lyrics and soft rhythm create a thoughtful and grateful mood. So thank you so much for all the artists, those who have performed for the Tala Shilpa. Moving on, we have Drops Drondam, a Tibetan drum dance that shows the unity cultural pride. So yes, let's welcome the team to perform Drops Drondam now.